In this video, I'm going to show you how to create ultra-realistic AI-generated videos completely for free. Yes, even movie-like consistent scenes with just a simple prompt. All you need is a browser, no app, no software. Just head over to Google and search for WAN 2.1. Click on the official WAN site, sign up for a free account, and you're in. The interface is super clean and easy to use. Now go to the Explore section. Here you'll find tons of ready-made prompts. Just pick one that matches the kind of scene you want. Copy the prompt, then head over to the Generate tab, paste the prompt in the box, and first select Image Generation. Once your image looks good, switch to the Video section and paste the same prompt again. Click Generate, and now just sit back. It'll take a while, around an hour or so in the free version, so be patient. The results are absolutely worth it. You'll get a stunning, consistent AI-generated video with smooth cinematic transitions. You can even add sound effects for free right inside the platform, no editing software needed. The only catch? The free version is a bit slow, but if you're not in a rush, it's totally worth waiting. That's it. You just made an AI-generated video like a pro, for free. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you want more tutorials like this.